Y'all know I love a good bang. Look, 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 look. Well, hello there. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Welcome back to another edition of WIGMAS. Now, even though today's video is brought to you by WIGTYPES, I did purchase some of these units myself, so we are working together on this collaboration, okay? Now, it is also SipnSlay. Y'all know I got my water on deck because I'm not drinking wine until Christmas Eve, okay? One more week, your girl is going to show out. Listen, but until then, water in the wine glass. I mean, I'm close. I'm close. Now, before we get into the 4 different looks that I have from the Janet Collection Melt series, I do have another Wig Bay Holiday Slay to share with y'all, okay? Check out my girl, Yosha. Right off the bat, drop the skincare. Okay, drop it down below, sis, because we all need it, okay? Now, Yosha says this headband wig is her go-to holiday wig because it is beginner-friendly, pretty, and easy to style. If you have not hopped on the headband wig train, listen, get on that joint, okay? It's doubling back right now. Get on it right now. If it's not a natural synthetic wig, then I do rock my headband wigs more than I rock any other wigs on my channel. So just be mindful of that. When y'all asking me how long did something last, or how's it wearing, I don't know. Because I'm rocking a headband wig, okay? So make sure y'all show my girl some love down below. I'm sure she will appreciate it. Now, before we get into my looks, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, and that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the weather's in the rain. In my heart, but this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me, doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Okay, so first up from the Melt collection, we have the unit Yaya. This is what her card looks like. I got her in the color 1B, and she does retail around that $35 price point, depending on the site that you get her from, as well as if this unit comes in specialty colors. I don't think it comes in any type of like fancy colors, maybe just like, a 99J or something like that. I don't think it's like, a lot of blondes or nothing. This unit does come with transparent Swiss lace from ear to ear, 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable straps. This unit is not big head friendly. It's teetering on big head associate, like skimming by the edges. This joint on my head it was not coming down, okay? I could not find my wig grip, but even if I had my wig grip, it was still probably gonna put too much pressure around my sides because that joint was already slipping back. So be mindful of that. If you got a big dome like me, 23 inches on a bad day, you're gonna be a little snug, okay? This unit is heat safe up to 360 degrees. I didn't use no heat on my unit, as you saw. I just went on and put mine on, fluffed her out, and went on about my business. You know what? Let me stop lying. I ain't going about my business, okay? It took me a while to get this unit like this because she wasn't looking like this out the pack, okay? How she looks on her card, she don't look like that out the pack. You're gonna need to go in and tease your hair, fluff your hair to get it like this. You may even need to trim the bangs a little bit to get it to lay how you want it to lay on your face, because how she's sitting on this card right here, that's not how my shape was. Mine definitely was a lot longer, so you know, be mindful of that. Now the texture of this hair is really soft. However, it does not give me the natural vibe that I thought this was gonna give me. Now I can't remember her name right now. If I find her name, I'll put her right here on the screen, because she was in my inbox on Instagram telling me I need to get this one and her sister wig to, you know, compare it to my finger comber units, because you know it's better, it's softer, blah blah blah. Sis, did you play me? Did you play me? Yes, this unit is softer, but I honestly would grab for my finger comber unit before I grab for this one, just because of the shape of my finger comber units. Because the unit goes from a wave to like a curl, it doesn't give me the natural volume that I want. This one does not blend with my hair as well. I just like the curl pattern of the finger comber a lot more. It gives me more of a natural vibe. How I got her style right now, I'm gonna rock her to the tracks fall out, okay? But out the pack, she is not gonna look like this. So make sure you watch my install so you can see how I got this unit like this, so you know what you're in for if you decide to buy this unit. I think she is a cute unit. However, what they're claiming that's on this unit, I don't feel like is really on this unit. We'll see if Logan is the same way. The transparent Swiss lace, you can't see it because I put the unit behind my hairline because it wasn't gonna fit on my head anyway. The cap construction, I mean, yeah, whatever. Natural deep parting space. I mean, I guess so. I mean, that's the wig right here, and this is me, so you know, I was able to blend that down just as nice, so you know, that's good, I guess. And then the meltdown. I don't know about a meltdown because, again, I didn't use my lace. And it says it right there on the card, okay? Natural hairline is what they claiming that this has, but you know, I don't know who it was natural for, but you know, not for me. I got that parting space together though, didn't I? Y'all see how I did that? Okay, cut that V right in that joint and blended her right on down. So use what you gotta use to get your wigs together. I was not stepping out the house with this wig on my hairline. I couldn't do it, okay? I could not do it. The way she was sitting on me, she was just giving real fake. I'm not doing that to myself. So I went on and pushed her back, okay, way back, sis. She's looking pretty good now. Shedding and tangling, I'm not getting nothing, but I'm not pulling through my unit because, you know, it is a curly type of unit. Okay, so here she is to the side. Very cute. I feel like the curls kind of, you know, come together towards the end, and then here she is to the back. I think the more wear this unit gets, it'll look a lot more natural. I would definitely suggest using your dry shampoo on this to kind of bust down the shine a little bit. And I feel like how I'm on this style right now, I feel like it looks a lot better than it does on a card. I'm just saying, okay? So this is one of them sneaky links, okay? One of them ways that you don't really know that's fire based on the stock card, but you can see the potential, yeah, okay? But am I saying that this one is better than my finger comber? No. But y'all let me know down below what y'all think about this one, okay? I think she looks okay. I think she looks okay. I'm not.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh.
Okay, so here we have Logan. This is what her card looks like. I got her in the color 1B, and she does retail around that same price of $35. Now everything that I mentioned for YAYA is on this unit. Nothing is different except for the length. And now that I know how to style this unit, I styled it a lot faster, like 5 minutes, and that was it. This unit I don't feel like took a lot of effort because it's pretty much what you see is what you get. Can't really fluff her up as much as you want her to because the unit is pretty much, you know, straight, and then it goes into the curl just like YAYA. So if you want to get a whole bunch of body in this unit, you're not going to really get that around here. You're gonna have to go in and tease under here here probably to kind of get that lift, but I wasn't doing all that. I just left it pretty simple. I cut the V in the parting space, and then I used my light foundation powder to go into the part, and that was it. I do have this unit behind my hairline because again, this unit is a little bit bigger than YAYA. However, it's still more big head associated than big head friendly. Neither one of them are super tight on my head once I put them behind my hairline. This one on my hairline was a lot looser than YAYA, but it still wasn't giving me big head friendly. It was still a little short on my sides over here. The texture of this unit is really soft. You can definitely use some heat up here. I probably should use my blow dryer up here to kind of flatten that out. Let me do that because that's gonna bother me. Let me not burn my unit. I made sure I used low heat on this joint to get that, you know, kind of together. But see how it kind of slicked my hair out a little bit? Like, dang it, I didn't want exactly that, but I need to get it flat. Could have probably did some hairspray too, but you know what, whatever. The 13x6 or 13x4 kinky straight unit that I showed y'all like, you know, a month or so ago. This is basically that unit with some curls at the end. I don't feel like the hairline is giving me natural. It's not giving me pre-plucked. It's not giving me what this claims that it's giving me. She's giving me body, she's giving me thickness, she's giving me curl. Even the shape on me is a lot longer, but I'm sure they teased hers up just a lot more to give her the look that she wanted. So you can definitely go in and do that using your comb, just kind of back comb it a little bit. But obviously the more that you do that, the bigger the hair will get. But this is how she's looking to the side and to the back. I feel like she gives a very full look. Now, even though I didn't care for YAYA out the pack, I would probably pull her faster than I would pull Logan, just for the look that I want. This one may be a miss for me, surprisingly. And y'all know I love big hair. Big long hair is me, I love it, but I don't think I'm really feeling this one on me. It's not giving me what I feel like it should be giving me, and I'm a little perturbed about that. Y'all tell me down below what y'all think about this one, but let's go ahead and get into the next one, okay?
Making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
Okay, so next up from the Melt collection, we have the unit SARAI. This is what her card looks like. I got her in the color 1B, and this unit does retail around $50. So make sure you got your change purse ready because those specialty colors will cost a little bit more. That's what those are looking like on the back. That burgundy is calling me. Is that a burgundy? I mean, the velvet purple is kind of like a burgundy-ish. I don't know, whatever. Now, this unit does come with 13x6 HD lace frontal, so that's 13 inches from ear to ear, 6 inches deep here in the middle. It also comes with 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. It also has the adjustable elastic band attached to the unit, so if you want to wear this unit glueless like I did, you can definitely do that. I was not going to spray this unit down, not only because I got to show y'all one more wig, but also because I didn't feel like it. If the lace is truly HD, it should be able to blend with my products without being sprayed down at all. Okay, that's without liquid products. Now, I did use my cream contour to get my hairline together, but as far as any other melting products, I didn't use it. This one is definitely gonna bring some pressure around the temples with the elastic band. You're gonna wanna use your wig grip, okay? Now, the hair texture is definitely giving me like a slight yucky, and I'm actually here for it. I was hoping it wasn't gonna be a silky because I don't like silky bobs on me unless it has the density, okay? Most silky bobs on me gets a little thin, especially when it comes to the Janet collection silky bob. I did try the unit Asia. I'm pretty sure it was from this collection, and that was silky and a little thin. This one is giving me texture, it's giving me density, it's giving me the little curl in the front that I'm not really sure about, but you know, she wearable. This little bang is giving me a vibe. Y'all know I love a good bang. Look, 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 look. The unit itself is pretty simple, nothing crazy. This is how she's looking to the side, so you guys can see that. This is how she's looking to the back, okay? I don't feel any tracks or anything. I do feel like a little thinness up here. The unit as a whole, I think, is really cute. For the price point, I definitely would pay the $50 for this unit before I would pay the $50 for, say, the Asia unit. This one is giving me more of what I would like on a unit, so I would definitely buy this unit for the $50 price point. Is she a necessary unit? No. Okay, but she is a cute unit if you like bobs. You may just have to keep doing this a little bit to kind of keep your ends down, but as far as I'm concerned, like, she's nice and simple, nothing crazy. Yeah, what are we thinking about this one, y'all? Like I said, I think she's cute. And I cannot take all the credit for this one. I have to give a shout out to my girl, Nikki Lanice. I saw her post this unit on Facebook and I had no idea about the bob. I knew about the longer one, Kendall, that I'm about to show y'all, but I had no idea about Sarai. And I'm just, shout out to her because she looked good. But let me know down below what y'all think about this one. I think this one is #1 so far. I think. Yeah, it is. But let's go ahead and get into the last one because I think I may be feeling that one too. Okay, let's go.
In Christmas times. Oh, and sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, and that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. And family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
Okay, and last but not least, we have the unit Kendall. This is what her card looks like. I got her in the color 2, and she also retails around that $50 price point, depending on where you shop at, as well as the specialty color that you may choose for your unit. The cap construction for this unit is the exact same as Sarai. It even looks like Sarai, it's just longer. Yaya is a shorter version of Logan, and Sarai is a shorter version of this. The texture feels the same. I did get some tangles in this unit when I went to paddle brush it. More than likely, I will grab for Sarai more than I grab for this one, just because this one is a little bit longer, and it takes a little bit more effort to rock this one all day, but this one is still giving me a look. I do feel like the curl or the bump of this unit is not as full as I feel like it is on the card right here. She's giving me definite yak yak. This is giving me more like a silky yaki, the way that it feels on me. It's not really giving me the lift that I want her to have, especially because I've seen this unit on other people and they had, like, you know, a higher lift than me. I think if I change my part just a little bit, kind of, you know, curve it a little bit, I can definitely give me more of, like, you know, a flip over type of look. It already came with this little side part and I didn't feel like changing it, so I just left it how it was. But I would definitely go in and kind of curve the part up just a little bit more to kind of give it more of a natural look. Even though this is a texture unit, I still feel like it will tangle based on how it's feeling under my fingers and based on, like, the little bit of snags that I'm getting here in the middle. I'm not getting no snags on the end, it's just in the middle. That's weird, but you know, it still look good though. I think Sarai's my #1, Kendall is my #2, Yaya's #3, and Logan will be #4. Let me know how y'all would rank these for yourself. Now, I did go in, as you saw, and I had a little accident. I put a little bit too much dip on my chip as far as my contour is concerned, because this lace is a little bit darker. It's not really giving me like HD lace as far as, like, you know, the lightness of it. It's giving me more like a brown HD lace, tinted HD lace. Okay. So I didn't need as much contour for this one to kind of melt her down, so it may be a little dark up in there, but you know, just ignore that. It is pretty long. It's a lot longer than I thought it was gonna be. It comes down pretty much past my chest, so you know, there's that. That's my high waist, but like my normal waist is like down here. Kenny will be home soon and I'm about to give the looks. You hear me? 4 days of play, I'm here for it. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to WIGTYPES for sending me these units. I really appreciate it. I will put some links for these units down below, so you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.